tous mes amis, c'est la chanson pour les frères qui sont frères. Et moi, je m'appelle Stéphane Allo. Comme l'avez dit, my name is Steven Allo. Kwa mtandao najulikana sana kama Sa Allo mwenyewe. Leo niko na mwenzangu hapa hivi ambaye anaitwa Aboxan Aillah. Na ningempa nafasi ili ajitambulishe kwenye nyinyi wote.
Kwa majina ni Aboxan Aillah. Hivyo ndio venye najulikana. Real name ni Aboxan Aillah Mbori. So Mbori is the family name.
Awesome. So why so Aboxan is a name that you're given by your parents?
Yeah, that's my real name.
All right.
Ya jina yangu iko paka kwa ID.
Ningependa kuwaonya usiweke kwenye box na Aboxan. Yeah? Aboxan, tell me about yourself. So what do you want people to know about Aboxan? What exactly is Aboxan?
Aboxan is an entertainer. Aboxan is a stand-up comedian, but generally just know me as an entertainer. And I do stand-up comedy professionally, yeah.
Awesome.
That's me, yeah.
Awesome. So I wouldn't pretend that I'm actually somebody worthy of speaking to Aboxan Aillah, to interview Aboxan Aillah, but I felt like I just want to appreciate people that have been there in this industry. They're doing quite a lot. This is not my forte, but I wanted to be able to put light onto it. One of the things I like most about Aboxan is about his live shows. Of course, the live shows were paused, the face-to-face live shows were paused due to the COVID-19 situation. So I think, tell me something, what exactly... When is the last time you did a show in Kisumu?
Oh, the last show I did in Kisumu was in 2018.
Mm-hmm.
Then nikaingia Europe.
Wajaluo
So I went international.
Wajaluo mtatuweza nini? Wasikia swali la ulizo hapa hivi, when's the last show you did in Kisumu? Alafu akwambia the last show I did in Kisumu is I went to Europe. Hey, my friend, tell me about the Europe trip. How was it?
The Europe trip was awesome actually. I went to almost like 10 countries in Europe, because it was Netherlands, Belgium, France. I was in Swiss. Mm-hmm. I was in German.
German is the language. My friend.
I was in Germany. I was in how do you call this other place? Italy. Mm-hmm. I was like all over. I was just all over Europe. Yeah, I was all over Europe.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So I think, as you know, this is what we call globetrotter and globetrotter. I thought that I think one of the dimensions about entertainment that has been baffling me is the rapid channel of entertainers. Kwa ukiangalia katika mtandao wa entertainment, si wengi ambao wanadumu, na wale ambao wanadumu si wengi ambao wanapata kuwa na maisha mema. Ukiangalia jinsi mapato, ukirejelea mapato, ukirejelea nguvu wa kuendelea bila kuwa na kazi. Ni nini hasa ambacho kinafanya uendelee na hii kazi ya entertainment hizi miaka zote, ukijua vyema kwamba ina ugumu? Ni siri ipi ambayo unayo kama mmoja wa entertainers?
Wow, as an entertainer, but let me start this. Nilianza entertainment in Form 2. So back in the days.
What is the days?
Watu watajua miaka yangu staki.
So
wasikiza story ndio hii. So I'm in Form 2, nimetoa wasanii Nairobi wamekuja kuperform Kisumu. Niko Form 2. In Form 2 I had a company ilikuwa inaitwa Laughter Mania Comedy Industry.
Awesome.
I'm in Form 2, niko na simu shule na nimeemploy wazito. Mabuda wananifanyia road show nini. So mimi naomba mimi nitakucall saa 4 ndio niko free. Kwa sababu ilikuwa ni break time. So nitakucall ni aje, umefika wapi, ni wapi. Tunakata simu. Saa 6 nitakucall because during class niko daro, siwezi shika simu. So unajua mdosi yako busy. So nikaingiza wasanii box na nikawalipa wote. At Form 2, imagine. Form 2.
That's an amazing thing. Two things I will tell you guys, my viewers. I'm a researcher by profession, so there are two things I've done here. In Form 2, for him to have owned a phone, that means it must have been after the year 2002, 2003, because before that time there was no one else who had a phone that was in secondary school. So we need to look at it a little bit later. But I won't dwell on his age. So now, what exactly are you doing right now? Because I know you're doing something that is a bit big. I don't know if you're free to talk about what you're doing right now. Yeah. Go ahead.
Actually, what I'm doing right now, Together at Home.
Together at Home?
Together at Home. So Together at Home, this is under Culture TV. So Culture TV is under the Ministry of Culture and Heritage. Hiyo story ulisikia president alisema wasanii wapatiwa 100 million. Ila alitoa hiyo. So hiyo ndio Kenya tunasukuma.
hata mimi nataka.
No, yes, sir. So we've been going around the whole country. So this is the first one. Then we have phase 2. We are not done yet. Ndo jana ndo tumetoka Nyeri. Yeah, so after Nyeri we are going back to Meru, tukiendelea tunamalizia Mombasa.
Awesome.
And it's quite a very amazing experience relating with people, different people. Unaona, wazee, wadogo, vijana, watoto. Actually it's something nice.
Mlifanya Kisumu?
Kisumu tulifanya last week. Tulifanya Kisumu, Kisii na Nakuru.
Yeah. So I'll tell you guys, the 100 million was real money. It's not just about one of those speeches. So I want you to know that it's a big thing. So for some of us who have multiple sources of income, we need to be able to leave this space for the real entertainers to be able to make the money.
Yeah.
But I think what is the kind of what kind of encouragement would you give these upcoming entertainers and the influx of social media based entertainment? What would you give them as an advice, having dealt with most of these people? I know my director, ni mimi mwenyewe, has told us that we have less than 30 seconds to finish.
Less than 30 seconds. Okay. Now this is what I'll tell this guy. I know it's not easy. Number 1, don't give up. Push and push. One day italipa.
Msikia? Don't give up.
Yeah.
Push and push. One day italipa. Najua kuna wengine wanataka kuibadilisha hapa waitumie kama mistari. Madam, nitapush. One day italipa. You guys, it's been an amazing thing. This is the a moment in the Black Beast with the red interior by Aillah. The interior is done by somebody else totally different. Feel free once again to catch up with us as we continue. Aboxan Aillah, thank you so much, my man, for getting onto this particular drive with me and to be able to talk to my people. I want to say thank you and big up.
Thanks,
Cheers,
bro.
See you in the industry.
Thank you.